this video, I'm giving you 12 seamless transitions for your next videos, and it's completely free. Let's look at a preview of this pack. Now, let me show you how to use these transitions in Premiere Pro. I have multiple clips on my timeline. Go to File and Open Project. Open the Seamless Transitions pack. Here in the project, you can see zoom transitions, glitch, lens, and seamless transitions that includes different variations. To check the preview, double-click on the sequence. You can see how the transition looks. Back in the project, select the transition. In order for you to apply the transition, you have to uncheck this and select all of the timelines except the first one. Now just drag and drop it on your videos and it will apply seamlessly. Let's do same for the seamless transitions. I have selected one of the fast speeds. It also fits perfectly. Now let's try the zoom and lens transitions. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.